Hi there everybody, just another super quick video just to talk to you very briefly about some new yarn. And well, it's not technically new, but it is new to me. It's one that I have never used before, and it's also a brand that I have never used before. So this yarn was actually given to me by my mum. She bought it herself to make her own project, and then she had quite a bit of it left over, and so she sent it my way. So I was having a little think about what it might work up nicely in, and I actually decided to go for the 12-point star blanket. Now this is a tutorial that is on my channel already. It's actually on my channel as a lovey, so I go from up to round 14, but obviously then you can carry on that pattern to make it as large as you want it to be. So I'm actually really liking the way that this is working up. I think the colours actually work really well as a 12-point star. I know it's not a gradient yarn, which is what I would normally use for my 12-point stars. It does change colour quite frequently, but I do think that it still works up really, really beautifully. It actually makes me think of ice cream. I'm not quite sure why. But you've got beautiful lemon shades and cream, and then you've got the pale pink, the very pale purple, and then a really, really, really pale greeny blue colour as well. So you've got a really beautiful and delicate mix of pastel shades in this yarn, and I am loving the way it is working up as this 12-point star. So the yarn itself is King Cole Beaches DK. Now there are quite a few shades of this yarn, but this particular shade is called Beaches and Cream. So it is obviously a DK, and I've been using a 4mm hook for my particular blanket, and this is a 70% premium acrylic and 30% polyamide as well, so that is why it is softer than your average acrylic yarn. It has got that 70-30 mix, and so it is really, really, really soft. It's almost a little bit silky, but yeah, it's the most beautiful delicate shades. Like I say, there are quite a few different shades available, but this is the Beaches and Cream. Now the only thing is I am struggling to find somewhere that it is in stock currently. So obviously I don't only want to list places where I may have an affiliate link. I don't think that's very fair. If it's not in stock there, then what's the point in me leaving that as a link? So I will search until I find a website that has this particular shade in stock for you. So it is a really beautiful, soft, silky. It'll make the most wonderful baby items with it being so soft. So it's 100 grams and you get approximately 255 meters in this. So I've just been using some little scrap bits that were left over from my mum so far, and then I have got this whole one to use as well. So I'm just going to make it as big as I can with what I have got left. Now quite a few people ask me all the time what borders I use for my star blankets. So I've made quite a few star blankets now, and I've always used my simple frill border on them, but I am thinking of doing a tutorial specifically for the 12-point star blanket, because people are worried about how to keep the points in the top and the dips in the bottom without obviously losing any of that definition in the dips. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, then just leave a little comment down below and I will do a specific 12-point star border tutorial, just so that you know how to get all the stitches in the places that you need them to be. But I really hope that you've enjoyed finding out a little bit more about the King Cole Beaches DK, and as I say, once I find somewhere that has it in stock, I will make sure that that link is down in the description box for you. But yep, I will see you for a normal tutorial at the weekend. Bye for now.